श्री सी सदानंदन मास्टर।
श्री C. Sadanandan Master, a retired teacher, devoted social worker. He embodies resilience, integrity, and a life of dedicated public service. After losing his both legs in a brutal act of political violence in 1994, he remained steadfast in his pursuit of peace and national commitment. Revered as Master or Mashai, he has emerged as a guiding light against ideological extremism and has been an inspiration through his contributions to education, public life, and intellectual discourse. Shri C. Sadanandan Master.
ഞാൻ സി സദാനന്ദൻ മാസ്റ്റർ രാജ്യസഭയിലെ അംഗമായി നാമനിർദ്ദേശം ചെയ്യപ്പെട്ടിരിക്കുന്നതിനാൽ നിയമം വഴി നിലവിൽ വന്ന ഭാരതത്തിന്റെ ഭരണഘടനയോട് നിർവ്യാജമായ വിശ്വസ്തതയും കൂറും പുലർത്തുമെന്നും ഭാരതത്തിന്റെ പരമാധികാരവും അഖണ്ഡതയും ഉയർത്തിപ്പിടിക്കുമെന്നും ഞാൻ ഏറ്റെടുക്കുവാൻ പോകുന്ന കർത്തവ്യം വിശ്വസ്തയോടുകൂടി നിർവഹിക്കുമെന്നും ദൈവനാമത്തിൽ സത്യം ചെയ്യുന്നു.
श्री हर्षवर्धन श्रृंगला।
Shri Harshvardhan Shringla is a former Foreign Secretary of India and India's ambassador to the United States, Bangladesh and Thailand. He was also Chief Coordinator of India G20 Presidency. Additionally, as President and founder of the Darjeeling Welfare Society, he has led several philanthropic initiatives in underprivileged areas of Darjeeling and Siliguri. Shri Harshvardhan Shringla.
मैं हर्षवर्धन श्रृंगला, जो राज्यसभा का सदस्य नाम निर्देशित हुआ हूं, ईश्वर की शपथ लेता हूं कि मैं विधि द्वारा स्थापित भारत के संविधान के प्रति सच्ची श्रद्धा और निष्ठा रखूंगा। मैं भारत की प्रभुता और अखंडता अक्षुण्ण रखूंगा तथा जिस पद को मैं ग्रहण करने वाला हूं उसके कर्तव्यों का श्रद्धापूर्वक निर्वहन करूंगा।
Honorable members, I am I have received a notice of motion under Rule 167 from Sri Samik Bhattacharya to discuss Operation Sindoor, a landmark in military brilliance and diplomatic outreach, which I have admitted for discussion as no day yet named motion. The date and time for discussion would be decided after consultation with the leader of the House and other leaders. I'm coming to that. Next. First 167, then 267. Around noon today. I'll discuss with the leaders. Honorable members, 18 notices have also been received under Rule 267. The notices of Dr. John Britas, Dr. Syed Nasir Hussain, Shri Akhilesh Prasad Singh, Srimati Renuka Chaudhary, Shri Manoj Kumar Jha have demanded discussion over the concerns arising out of a special intensive revision of electoral rolls undertaken by the Election Commission in Bihar. The notices of Shri Mallikarjun Kharge, Shri Pramod Tiwari, Shri Randeep Singh Surjewala, Dr. V. Sivadasan, Shri Ramjilal Suman, Srimati Renuka Chaudhary, Shri Sandosh Kumar P, Shri P.P. Sunil, Shri Abdul Wahab have demanded discussion over the tragic terror attack in Pahalgam and India's response through Operation Sindoor. The notice of Shri Tiruchi Shiva demands discussion over Union government's inordinate delay in publishing ASI's Khizdi report and its implications for scientific transparency. The notice of Shri Sanjay Singh demands discussion over the violation of the right to education due to large-scale merger and closure of government schools in Uttar Pradesh. The notice of Shri A.A. Rahim demands discussion over the ongoing negotiations for free trade agreements with the United States and the European Union and its impact on agricultural sector. The notice of Shri Harish Biran demands discussion on two issues: the bulldozer action on the houses of minorities in various states, and to discuss the Pahalgam terrorist attack.